racing. Jazz is started hitting. Is pre-break quickly to start. Running by the rail. Second is Spring Collection. Hukbong Dagat comes next. Aba Natalia. Jazz again. Then comes Chevron Love. Rossi comes next. And going along for the first turn with hitting. Is pre leads by about 4 lengths. And in second is Spring Collection. Aba Natalia is racing in third. Hukbong Dagat comes next. Just again Love Rossi, the next online. Now is Chevron. Pradera Verde comes next. Half mile distance hitting is free. Leads by about 4 lengths. Is Spring Collection. Moving up down on the inside now is Aba Natalia. The next online now is Hukbong Dagat. Moving up down on the inside is Love Rosie. And Diana entering the home stretch. Hitting is free. Is still in control. Now leads by about 6 lengths. Aba Natalia in second as they swing for home. Hitting is free. Now he strides away by about 8 lengths. Over Aba Natalia. Moving up is Love Rosie. And finally, the curtain closer. Hitting is free. Aba Natalia, then comes Love Rosie, Hukbong Dagat. Pradera Verde.
Alright, partner. Bang klaseng kabayo pala to. Meeting spring. Parang swimming din yung datingan.
Ang laking kabayo, partner. Ano mo naman, dumikit sa kalaban.
Magaling. Largahan pa lang, nakita mo yung tulis ng kuha ng unahan eh. Talagang sinisibat sa alis.